So to start, I'm going to show you how to do a slip knot. Slip knot is one of the first knots that you need to start off a lot of crochet patterns. So to do a slip knot, you need to have your hand facing up to you, put the yarn through these fingers, okay, bring it over, and then hold it in place with this finger. With this side, you're going to make an X on the bottom, hold that in place with your thumb, bring the yarn around so you've got two loops on the top of your finger. You're going to, this part loop that's closest to your knuckle, bring it over, and you're loosening the yarn as you go. And then if you're holding on to these tail ends with these two fingers, just pull up and you should have a loop, and that is your slip stitch. So I'll show you that again. To undo the slip stitch, you just need to pull. That's all you need to do. So once again, you need to have the yarn come through these two fingers, up and over, okay? So have the tail end facing more your wrist, bring this up and over towards the top. So you can make the X, you're going to make an X there, hold it with your thumb, and then as you come round you loosen that can go loose, it's fine. Bring that around and then just hold that yarn however you need to do it for ease. Everyone's different. And then this loop close to your knuckle, bring it up, over, and then pull, and there's your slip stitch. Put your hook through the knot, through the loop, and then the longer end you're just going to pull tight, and that's it. So this part you need to have roughly about that length. If you have it too short, it can come undone. So if you have it a little bit longer, it's fine, you can chop it off towards the end once we've finished. So that is your slip stitch. If you want to learn other crochet stitches, then here's a beginner's playlist. Subscribe here to my channel and then you'll get alerts whenever I do a new video. Thanks for watching.